When I first got Tesla Model Y, I'm so excited. The car is perfect, it looks great, it drives well. Then after a while, then you realize there's some issues that need to be addressed and then Tesla doesn't have a solution for. This isn't going to be your pimp up my ride kind of update videos, but instead it's about all the practical accessories I found out to be useful for my daily driving. I found all the items myself and you can find a description and link in the bottom. One of the first accessories I buy for Tesla Model Y is a new screen protector. I'm just not a fan of the Tesla Model Y screen that is highly reflective and it catches all the fingerprints on it. So there are two types of screen protector, glossy or matte. Matte finish looks something like a frosted window, while glossy finish closely resembles a crystal clear window. Glossy is the better choice for clarity and saturation. Matte screen protectors does transmit less light than a glossy protector. Keep in mind that even though glossy protector has more vivid images, the change is slight and not noticeable. What matte screen truly excels at is diffusing a large portion of sunlight. Your screen will be much easier to see in the daylight. Also, the matte screen is great at hiding smears and smudges. The installation is pretty straightforward, pretty much like how you install a screen protector on your cell phone. The key thing here is to remember to put your car screen into screen cleaning mode first. Next up, when I first got Tesla Model Y, I realized all my drinks cannot hold in place because the cup is a one size fits all. Well, but not all the drinks are the same size. So therefore they tend to wobble around and I'm kind of worried when I put in Starbucks cups in there, the drinks might tip over. And then I found this thing that works for both Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. It's a spring-loaded cup holder divider. Now when you put the drinks in the cup holder, they no longer wobbles. Problem solved. One of the great features that all Tesla supports is dash cam and Sentry mode. In order for that to work, you have to bring your own micro SD card. Now there are a lot of discussions and video talk about what you need to buy and what doesn't work. Basically, you need to get a high endurance performance SD card, not the regular thumb drive. Sure, you can purchase an SSD external hard drive as well, but for me, I decided to purchase the Samsung Pro Endurance 64GB SD card. It has 100 MB per second write speed, and in order for this to work, you also have to buy an adapter. I found SanDisk Mobile Ultra Micromate that I can just plug in the micro SD card in there, and I can plug in directly to the Tesla Model Y. We purchased Tesla Model Y Performance with a performance upgrade package. It came with a spoiler that's made of a carbon fiber. Now inside Tesla Model Y, you can pretty much only select the default black or the white interior. There's no change for the dashboard cover. So what I did is that I looked for options to make sure the dashboard can match the style of the performance model. There are two options to cover out the dashboard. The first is a decal that you buy them and you have to wrap them yourself. Or secondly, you can purchase this dash cover that's made of ABS plastic. In the back, there are just 3M stickers and you can just peel them off and directly apply to the dashboard, and that's what I did. It fits very nicely and easy to apply. The only thing is that dash cover came with two pieces instead of one, so therefore when you apply it, there's a minor gap behind the screen. But I don't have an issue with that. Another thing I hope Tesla could provide is allow us to upgrade the internal center console material. Right now it came with a piano black. It looks good, but man oh man, this thing is a fingerprints magnet. On top of that, it will scratch like crazy. Since we already have a dash cover, I also purchased their center console cover that will match exactly the style. Once I got them, same thing, very easy to apply. There are 3M tapes right behind it. I just peel them off and apply directly. My only concern is that the diagonal line for the carbon fiber do not match. Yep, one is going one way, the other one is going the other way. But it still looks sleek and the price is good. Another thing I love about Tesla is there are a lot of storage area in the center console, but they're kind of deep and narrow. In order to fix that issue, I purchased a bunch of a center console storage tray. There are two trays, one on top, one on the bottom. They're made of a regular ABS plastic. On the top, there's a divider. I can put my sunglasses and I can put some loose coins. And on the bottom, I can put some additional pens and other miscellaneous stuff there. Since all the Tesla Model Y came with a chrome delete, so I gotta carve out the two only chrome pieces in the car as the front emblem and the rear. I made those decals. I traced them, cut them, and I put it on. There are a lot of sellers. I think they're all great. Well, of course, I love mine. Well, the last piece, it's really not an accessory at all. It's just more like I think Tesla should include, but they didn't. It's the wheel valve cover. I don't know why Tesla included this dark grayish valve cover that's not black and is really short. So I just went on eBay, looked something, a few bucks. I found this aluminum wheel valve cover. Not much to it. It doesn't have functionality other than just looks cool, and I feel better. Why not? Well, that's all the Tesla Model Y accessories I've purchased. What other accessories are you thinking about? Are you thinking about tinting your front windows? Are you thinking about getting ceramic coating? Are you thinking about getting LED lights replaced? Have you upgraded your wheels? Go down below and leave your comment. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click on the like and subscribe button. I'm making videos for fun and during my free time. Your support helps out this channel more than you think. And that is for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you here again soon. Peace.